Good afternoon, this is KOCO Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane. The big weather story that we have coming up in the next couple of days. Hey, we all know it's all about the wintry weather. We have a winter storm warning now in effect for Clinton, Watonga, Stillwater, northeastern Oklahoma, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, down to the Red River, and to Wichita Falls, Texas, and Vernon, Texas, and then a winter weather advisory for Ponca City, Enid, Alva, Woodward, Gage, and Elk City here. It looks like winter weather is moving in. The cold air is very slowly moving in across Oklahoma right now. This afternoon, we're still likely going to see 60s and 70s in southeastern Oklahoma, 40s in northern Oklahoma, and look at this cold up and towards the northern plains here. Yeah, we're talking about highs only in the single digits and teens. As we go into the noon hour tomorrow, we're going to have a band of very light sleet and or freezing rain moving across Oklahoma here. Mainly freezing rain in southwestern Oklahoma, sleet mixed in, and then mainly sleet across the Oklahoma City metro. Notice how even in southeastern Oklahoma, we're also going to be seeing temperatures below freezing, and more than likely this will be supporting a freezing rain event. As we go in towards late Thursday and Friday morning, this is when things really begin to pick up here. This is when we're going to see a second wave of what will then be snow moving in from Altus to Oklahoma City up to Tulsa, and then a wintry mix in southeastern Oklahoma. I do expect that there's going to be quite a significant ice storm in southern and southeastern Oklahoma as we go into mainly Thursday night and the Friday morning, and more than likely roads will be very slick as we go into Friday. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures are going to be quite cold at the surface here, so we're not going to see any type of melting going on with whatever happens to fall. And even as we go into Friday afternoon, look at this, temperature still only in the lower 20s for high. So how much snow are we talking about here? Here are three weather models, and they are all basically indicating what I think is going to be best across Oklahoma. About 2 to 4 inches of snow. You can see from the Euro model going about 2 to 4 inches of snow. Same thing as we look here at the Canadian model and at the GFS model, with a few isolated areas picking up maybe up to 6 inches of snow, mainly in eastern Oklahoma here. Again, I expect that this is going to be mainly a 2 to 4 inch snow event with a few higher amounts, but all in all, again, I think that for Oklahoma City down to southwestern Oklahoma, we're likely going to see the snow, and then western and northern Oklahoma, less than 1 inch. So certainly this is going to be a accumulating snowstorm that's going to be coming in here, and an ice storm that's coming in across southern Oklahoma, and then northern and western Oklahoma, some light snow amounts. And of course, we're still getting new weather information coming in. As we get closer, the more detailed our outlook and our forecast will be. So we'll have more coming up tonight on KOCO 5 News at 5, 6, and 10. See you then.